Now let's summarize waterfall delivery and agile delivery approaches. As we learned, waterfall delivery relies on sequential process activity steps. For example, requirement gathering, design, implementation or coding, we call it testing and delivery. This happen in a sequence. Thereby, we have some documents and some kind of deliverables keep happening as we pass through each of these stages of development, like requirements ready, design ready, implementation ready, testing ready. These documents and other deliverables like this do not really add value to our customers. And by now, there is no validation that is done on the system that is developed by us. Means waterfall development has a one big bang testing at the end, which is most likely not meeting the customer's needs, requirements and expectations of our customers. That's why most of the waterfall projects come under the failure in terms of Standish-Kayo's report, which we will be just seeing in a course of time. So the final product happens at the end. Now if you look at the agile way of delivering, iterative and incremental approach. You see the product, software product assets in terms of the business. In the beginning, we are making a small increment of the product. As we are passing through the increments, we are adding more and more features into the product, and you see the same delivery that happens otherwise in waterfall development at the end happens incrementally here in agile delivery. The advantage with this model, agile model, is feedback comes at the end of each of these iterations. We can incorporate that feedback into the next coming iteration in planning, in your execution, in your thinking and behavior, in our innovation and creativity, and improve the product throughout the development. That is the biggest advantage of agile delivery, which most organizations are really reaping the benefits out of this.